Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a farmer named Rohan with his 3 sons Arjun, Kabir, and little Mira. The brothers were always arguing and fighting over the smallest things. One day Rohan grew tired of their constant quarrels, called his children together and handed Arjun a single stick. "Break this," he said. Arjun laughed and snapped the stick easily. Next, Rohan gave Kabir 2 sticks tied together. Kabir strained a little but broke them too. Then Rohan handed Mira 3 sticks tied in a bundle. Mira tried her hardest, but no matter how much she twisted or pulled, she couldn't break them. The children looked at their father in confusion. Rohan smiled and said, "A single stick is weak and breaks easily, but when sticks are united, they become strong. Just like our family. If you stand together, no problem can break you. But if you fight and stay divided, life will be much harder." Arjun, Kabir, and Mira understood their father's lesson. They hugged each other, promising to work together, help each other, and never let silly fights come between them. And so, the family grew happier and stronger because they remembered unity is strength. The end. Now let's think about the moral of the story. Yes, our parents always tell us to be united and help each other, don't you think? But we often do and understand the importance of these words until we learn some hard lessons in life. Can you tell me what was the hardest lesson that you learned in your life? Share it with your family and friends. I'm sure everyone will learn from your experiences. And remember, no matter what problems you face in your life, never ever give up. Just stay positive and keep trying, because every problem has a solution. You just need to find it. Most importantly, always, always believe in yourself. Believe me, you can do it. You are the best. Keep smiling and stay happy.